everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, in my channel, I love to do tablescape, glam tablescape, anything styling for tablescape, I'm on it. I also do home decor, a little bit of DIY, shopping haul, thrifting hauls, and a little bit of cooking on the side, and a little bit of lifestyle vlog. So if you're into that kind of content, this is the right channel for you. So everyone, in today's video, I am participating in a close collaboration that hosted by Linda of Style by Miss Linda. So we are asked to do a vignette challenge. So the requirements of that vignette challenge, you have to have a tray, you have to have a greenery, and spring or either Easter. So I decided to do my decorating process here in my great room, which is my console table right here. And as you can see, I wear gold and white. So my theme for today, or my color choice, is white and gold. And guys, I will leave the link of this close collaboration of all of the participants of this challenge, and along with the playlist. Alright everyone, let's get this started. Everyone, after you're done watching my videos, please go over to all these ladies' channel and tell them I sent you. I will leave the link of the playlist in my description box along with all these ladies' channel. And here is the reveal, and I hope you enjoy.
If you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.